Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. Today on Guy's DIY Garage, I want to show you a new tool that we got in the shop. This is an Enco milling drilling machine. It's used. It's about the mid-80s vintage. I got a screaming good deal on this machine because the handles were removed. There's a quill feed base that's missing, and all of the table hand wheels were missing. So I got online, I found those, all the tooling was missing as well. So I've got some tooling coming. I ordered all the missing parts. This is going to be coming up in some future videos. This is the last machine I needed to get to kind of complete the metal shop. I've got the lathe over here. I've got the mill now, and along with the aluminum casting that we do to make customized parts, we have the ability here at Guy's DIY Garage now to take a part from concept to completion. We can 3D print a concept, use that to mold up and ram up a pattern in sand, and then cast the aluminum into that shape, and then we can machine it depending on what type of operation you need to do, and then we can powder coat it over there in the powder coating machine. So we're excited to get that in depth with our DIY, but don't think that just because we have all this sophisticated equipment that does a lot of this stuff that's what this channel is about. I just wanted to show this. I'm really excited about getting this up and running. So stay tuned. Let's see what we can do. Hey, if there's something you want to see special here on Guy's DIY Garage, shoot us a comment down below. Now, this is one of the last machines, I think the last machine I really need to get or make, the last machine I needed to get, geez, oh Pete, I can't even talk today. Let me try to do that again. I might cut it out, might leave it, but I'm going to try.